What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to look at Dogecoin here. As you can see, Dogecoin is all the way up here at 36.84. We already hit 37 cents earlier, so that is really big with Dogecoin here. And we already peaked way earlier back here around 37.35. But yeah, we're continuing to rise here and follow these trend lines. As you can see, it just now took a little bit of a dip because it was at 37 cents, but we still are following a trend line. So even if we drop down to here, we're still going to continue to go up here. So Dogecoin is actually still on an uptrend, even though it shows that we're going down here in price. So that is something to look at here with Dogecoin. We're looking at a short-term chart here and not a long-term chart, so remember that. But yeah, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just tracking Dogecoin here and tracking what we have been doing. So yeah, I've set some long-term charts and I've set some short-term charts here with Doge. So I have been tracking it and to see where we're gonna really end up by the end of the day. And honestly, by the end of the day, you can definitely expect it to continue to rise around 36 to 37 cents, possibly even 35 if we do go down to like way lower there. But I don't think we're going to follow that line. I think we're just going to continue to trade sideways here until the end of the day, and then we will be up by tomorrow. But yeah, this is just a little dip here that we have been taking, but we have just came up here on this. So I definitely wanted to get this video in before this all happened so that you can see where we're rising here with Doge. And honestly, long term, we are also still doing good here with Doge. And let's look at a longer chart here. So this is looking at the 15-minute chart. And as you can see, Dogecoin is continuing to rise on this trend. So even if we did drop down a little bit for the next day, that would actually not be too bad for Dogecoin, because then you could either buy some more at the lower price down here, or you could just hold and continue as we rise. But yes, definitely expect in a few days to be at 40 cents. This is what we're doing with Dogecoin. Maybe even tomorrow possibly, but we don't know. Anything can happen at this point. I'm still holding. I'm still gonna hold, and I'm still trying to, get in at different positions. I like to do some risky trades, so I'll sell Doge and then buy back in, maybe like how it is now. But I think it will go down a little bit more. But right now, I'm just going to hold it because I don't want to risk anything, because Dogecoin can really do anything at this point. So look at this. We did just now take a little dip there, but we could definitely start to jump here. And that's what I'm looking at here now. We can probably, we're actually starting to jump here again. So yeah, Doge does a lot of things in a short period of time. Yeah, it just had a little bit of a dip there, but now it's going up. But this is just a short-term chart. Like I said, as in a long-term chart like this, 4 hours, yeah, we're continuing to rise here with really great speeds here with Doge. Look at this. Doge is continuing to go up here. And yeah, let's go ahead and look at our coin market cap or CoinGecko, either one. But let's go over here and look at our market cap here. $47.7 billion in market cap and $10.2 billion inside of the 24-hour volume. This is huge. Dogecoin is up 48% for 7 days. So Dogecoin is continuing to rise here. We are completely up here. And yeah, this is really big right now. $10 billion traded between 24 hours. That's a lot of Dogecoin transactions. And a lot of things are going on here with Dogecoin. So let's go ahead and see what we have going on for Dogecoin. Or not Dogecoin images. 3 unstoppable stocks that can crush Dogecoin. I just don't like when I see articles like this, but obviously it's from the Motley Fool. We already know what kind of articles they produce. Look over here. 3 unstoppable stocks that can crush Dogecoin. Let's see what they say. Intuitive Surgical, haven't heard of that. Green Thumb Industries, I've heard of that, but it is an OTC market, so that tells you a lot about it. And there is also CrowdStrike Holdings, and yeah, nothing of use right here with compared to Dogecoin. Like, everything is pretty good, I guess. CrowdStrike is all right, but Dogecoin is going to the moon, and that's why Dogecoin is going to the moon. Everybody knows this. They're talking about it being a pump and dump. Dogecoin is not a pump and dump. Like, yes, people will pump it all the way up to like maybe $1, but that is why you trade with your own strategy. If you want to sell at the tip, do it, sell it at the top. There's no problem with selling it at the top. I'm probably going to take out some profits when it hits the top, but I know I'm not going to completely sell out on it. I'm definitely going to take out profits, though. That's what everyone should do when you see it go up by a lot. So like if we see $1 in Dogecoin, you best believe I'm going to be taking profits, and a lot of other people are too. So you know it's going to dip, and this happens all the time with Dogecoin. We got all the way up, like way back here. Let's go look at it, the longer chart here. But look at this, we went all the way up. We had so much buying, and then we just sold off right up here at the tops. So that's kind of happens with Dogecoin. But as you can see, the growth that we have now is gradual growth, or yeah, it's gradual. So you definitely know it's going to continue to rise, and you know that it's not going to take a huge dip. It's only going to take small dips, but this growth is gradual. So right now we know we are going to continue to grow easily with here with Dogecoin. And even if we look at it from a more short-term chart, it's kind of still the same thing here. Like as you can see, it's still going on the same path here. So yeah, this is the path that we are going on with Doge, and this is not some pump and dump, because a pump and dump, it would have been a huge growth like that, and then it would have got dumped, just like Doge Day 420. Huge growth came before and then got dumped, and then came back for the actual day, and then dumped on the actual day, and then went down. But as you can see now, we are going up all the way here with Doge, 36 cents. So even if we did take a little dip down here, possibly down to 34 cents, I'm still going to hold, and we would go all the way back up. So this is just something to look at with Doge. We always actually dip like this. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go from 36 cents. Well, we were at 37 cents, but yeah, 37 cents all the way down to like 35. Like we always do this with Doge. Like it'll go sideways a little bit, and then we'll continue to gain some more growth. And that's kind of how we do it always in Doge. We always have to dip before we get even more growth. So yeah, you just see it happens time and time again. We dip, but then we start to grow more, and we're actually almost past the little mark that we were over here. So once we get past this area here, this is when you know that Doge is really no force to be reckoned with. Once we get past this 42 cents mark, then you definitely know Doge is on the rise. But yeah, this is where we are with it with Doge right now. But yeah, a lot of good things are coming out about Doge. Don't know what the Motley Fool is talking about. They always make some nonsense articles. But yeah, Dogecoin though is the 100% gainer of the year, and Dogecoin is actually way more than 100%. So that is an understatement, really. Dogecoin is at 15,000% for the year. So that is where we are looking at it with Dogecoin. Yeah, let's go over here to Twitter and see it. Oh no, Doge Father is no longer on the top trending. We probably are on the trending page still, just not on the top. But that's okay. We're still gonna continue to get people in here. So yeah, I guess Doge Father just now fell all the way down. But we are still trending in a way with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just not on the top page right here. And we always have the Twitter family over here. Always with the Twitter family. The Dogecoin Twitter family. That is like the biggest thing with Dogecoin right now. It could be a meme, I guess, but this is more than a meme. This is Dogecoin at this point. I wish they would have put Dogecoin inside their little ad for Snickers, but I don't know. Snickers might just be clout chasing with Dogecoin. But as you will see, a lot of different companies will start doing that. They'll start placing Dogecoin on their products. But one of the best ones that we have is Slim Jim, because Slim Jim actually promotes Dogecoin all the time. So you got to think Slim Jim is always pumping Dogecoin up. This is always going on in the Slim Jim Dogecoin community. But yeah, it's still launching right there. And we are at 36.86. So yeah, we're still fluctuating back and forth here with Dogecoin. But overall, we are still going to continue to rise with Dogecoin. I do believe for the day we hit a peak. So we may not get above 37 cents today. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But this is just my personal opinion. I don't think that we'll get above 37 cents today. I just see it kind of leveling out right here. And maybe we do get up to maybe like 37, 35. But what I mean, not up to like 38 cents. We're not going to go all the way that high. We're probably just going to stop here at this point around 37.26, because we seem to have some resistance around there. So that is probably what we're going to do for the rest of the day here at Doge. Just kind of fluctuate, going up and down. Maybe even taking a bigger dip at the end of the day and then coming back in stronger the next day. That's what Doge likes to do. Chart always does this. Let's look at a more short chart. But look at this. This is a longer chart, and we always do this. We always dip and then come right back. So Doge is going nowhere. It's going to continue to rise, and the market cap of Doge continues to rise. As we can see, the 24-hour trading volume at $2.2 billion, and we're at 47.7 billion market cap. So we're about to be at 50 billion market cap. Then we'll be back to where we were at around Doge Day. And the good part about this is this hasn't been like completely pumped like Doge Day. Not yet, not until we reach around 60 cents, and that's when you can kind of start getting scared, because then we might be seeing a bigger dip. But yeah, that's how it's gonna go with Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull, and get $25 when you sign up with crypto.com. And I'll be back with another video.